What is that?
Voila!
And then?
And then you can make this into this. How? By the computer. Look, by the computer. By that computer. This, like that. You can make this into this.
Well, I don't have time to do that.
Then how should you do that?
When you grow up, you do that.
Yeah, I know, you know. So why this thing goes don't fit in? Because it's too big. I made it so. Yeah, this is the box of this.
You made this? Okay, Isa, sit. I will ask some question.
There's still pieces left.
I have to ask some question. Come on.
There's two pieces left.
First, you
This
sit
is
here.
what I made, but I have pieces left.
I have to ask some question.
Yes.
What is it called? Making this? Is it a science or is it an engineering? Or is it
Science.
Science? Okay. What kind of science is this?
Making a Lego.
Making a Lego is a science.
Let me show you. This works. This works. And this works. And randomly, you can't open this. But it can fly. I believe I will fly. And it just dropped.
Dropped. Hey,
Yeah.
wait, Isa. If you don't answer, I will call you teacher.
Yeah.
What is 19 times 19?
361.
18 times 18.
324.
Wow, and then 17 times 17.
289.
And then 11 times 11.
121.
And then 21 times 21.
Oh, 441.
441.
Yeah. Because 20 times 20 is 400 and we have 41. That makes 21 times 21.
I have to verify it. Okay, but this car is
I
beautiful.
already know was 21 times 21 is just easy.
Okay.
441. You don't have to do that.
Okay.
You already know the answer. 441.
Is this car just like that, or can you drive this car as well?
I can drive this car.
Okay.
I can do this. Boom. I can go this when I do this. Like that. By motion.
Okay.
I did it downstairs.
Thank you.